happy 4th of July, but for us it was a little bit of a mess. Come down here yesterday to do a little work on the lease on the 5th after the 4th of July, and looks like some fireworks landed in here and burnt all the way up the road bed. This road bed was full of just debris, and luckily I was coming down here to bush hog and got down here and seen the fire and was able to get in here with the tractor and put it out. So now we're on I guess it'd be Pine Life firefight. We've got the 30-gallon sprayer and going through and putting out these because it's been lasting for a couple of days. It burned up that tree pretty far. I couldn't believe how much it burnt, but thank God that it wasn't no worse than what it was. I mean, it could have been bad because the fireworks had been shot off late at night, 10 or 11 o'clock, and I went down here till 10 o'clock the next morning. So be careful with them fireworks, especially around wooded areas, because they can definitely start some fire. I'm just glad I come by and seen them.